Hey everyone, this is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and this week I am planning the week of Thanksgiving, so we're planning We're planning November 23rd through the 29th. It is Thanksgiving week and actually the last couple of days of November, which is a little wild. I can't believe we're almost at the end of 2020. So this week I'm going to be planning with a kit that is very similar to the kit I used last week as far as the style and aesthetic of it, but just slightly different. This is a kit from Sadie Stickers, and this is her fall farmhouse kit, and this kit does have foils, so you'll see as I turn the pages you can see the foil kind of hitting the light, and it's a rose gold foiled. So these are the full boxes here. These are her functional stickers. We've got quarter boxes, half-size boxes, weekly stickers, all that sort of stuff. We've got some more functional stickers here with some, checklists. We've got some washi strips, page flags, date covers, washi strips, and also some half boxes and event size stickers here. So pretty comprehensive kit, and we'll see how much I get through it this week. I am on vacation this week, so while I have things to do, it's definitely not going to be quite as busy of a week as normal, and so we'll just see how this goes. I've got my list off to the side here with my rose colored days post-it note, and we'll see what this plan with me turns out to be. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and jump right in with the date covers and functional stickers of things that I already know, and then I'll kind of pop back in as it makes sense to kind of give some context or what I'm putting down and chat a little bit. Okay, so all of my things are in. I haven't been super chatty. I did want to point out that I am going to be on a podcast of a friend of mine, my friend Valerie. She has a wellness blog and podcast, and she asked me to be a guest on an upcoming episode. So when that episode comes out, I'll be sure to link it in an upcoming video whenever that is out in the world, so you guys can take a listen. But we'll be talking a little bit about planners, gratitude, staying motivated, establishing routines, all of that sort of stuff. So hopefully you guys will be able to tune in and you will enjoy that interview, but I'll let you know when that's out there. But again, this week I'm just at home, so I'm going to be trying to batch some content and get ahead on content. Again, I have not been great lately, both with YouTube and Instagram, but work has been consuming every single bit of energy and time that I have lately. So with this time off, I want to try and use it productively for my own things, and I'm hopeful that I will be able to do that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start putting some full boxes down. I apologize because it's gotten super dark since I started filming this. I'm trying to be quick because the light is going. The lighting has been kind of all over the place lately here in Central Florida because we've been dealing with a lot of rainy weather since our cold front went away a couple of days ago. I'm so sad that it's already gone. Alright, so I need to pick what washi I'm going to use, and I think I may use a Simply Gilded washi, and then this kind of, it's almost like sparkles and stars on this washi here, bows, and then that should be almost it. I do, actually, before I do the washi, really quick, I need to put a meal plan sticker down. I keep forgetting that lately. I'm not sure why I keep having such a brain fart with doing this. That's it, so let me grab my agenda. And that's it. So this is the plan with me for this week. Again, this kit is from Sadie Stickers, and as always, I link the shops that I get these kits from in my bio, or excuse me, in the description below. If I ever have a code for the shops, you can also find that in the description. I don't have one for Sadie Stickers, but I do know there's some folks on there on Instagram that you can find that do have codes for her shop. For the shops that I have codes for, they're always linked in all of my descriptions. But this is it. I really like how it looks, and I'm glad that I went with the Simply Gilded washi with the sparkles as well. Although I did notice I accidentally put the bow washi upside down, but not a big deal. You can hardly see it. I did put it correctly on this side, and that's it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if this is your first time coming across my channel or first time watching one of my videos, welcome, thanks for being here, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. You can click the button below to subscribe, and you can also turn on notifications so you know when my latest video goes live. To all of my long-term viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for coming back each and every week. I appreciate each one of you, and I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. I will see you later this week. I have a new video coming out, and I'll keep it a surprise so that way you can look out for it on Friday morning. Alright, that's it. Have a great week. Have a lovely holiday. Please stay safe and do what you can to protect everybody in your circle that you care about.